Hi, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up comment pinning with Entropy. So from the main page you should see when you log in, go to OBS, then select of the list of possible widgets, select comment pinning, press next. Now here you get the option to customize what your pinned comment will look like. So you can change the size of the avatar, change the outline, background, that sort of thing. After you're all done customizing, click Next, and you'll be brought to this page. So, if you want to add this to OBS, first of all, click the plus button here, which will create a new OBS source. Make it a browser source. Give it a name like pinned comment. Now, the first thing to do is to change this URL for the one listed under comment pinning. So, select this URL, paste it in. Now, the second thing we're going to do is we're going to add this here, which will give some sample data, which will allow you to see what this will look like before you go live. So you paste this on the end, this question mark test equals true. Then the next thing you need to do is there's two boxes here, shut down source when not visible, and refresh browser when scene becomes active. Select these and press OK. And what you should get is a sample image. Now, this box is a bit big, so what we'll do is we'll change the height from maybe 600 to 150. There, that's a lot more reasonable, and then you can scale it up or down here on OBS. So once you've positioned it and you're happy with it, you want to get rid of the garbage data. So you go into Properties and get rid of the question mark test equals true at the end of the URL. When you do that, it should disappear entirely. So what we're going to do is go and start a stream. I'm going to be doing it with native Entropy streaming. So once this boots up, I will post a sample comment here that we're going to want to pin. So I will mute the video. I am a comment to pin. So every chat that you get on your stream should appear something like this. Should appear here. Whether it's paid or not, it should have a little bookmark on the side here, this icon. So when you select the icon, it should show up here. Now if it doesn't, like it did here, what you do is there's a little eyeball next to the source. You turn that off and turn it on again. And then once you've done that, you should be able to see the pinned comment when you select it here, and whether it's paid or not. So if I switch to another one, a different comment, so you can swap between them, and this is what it will look like on your actual stream. Your number one go-to if something isn't working, check your browser source, make sure these two things are selected, and then hit the eyeball on and off. This is sort of like turn it off and turn it on again. That is, those are your sort of first things to do to debug if you're starting to see a problem. Then, then you can just select new ones with the bookmarks here. Hopefully that is clear enough. If you need any more help, just, email me back, or to be honest, we're a lot easier to reach on Discord, so message me on Discord. But hopefully that works for you.